Hi, I'm Ron Radeke.
And I'm Judy Radeke.
And we're from the Oasis of Hollywood. We're here today to invite you to come celebrate with us as we celebrate God's faithfulness in Hollywood all these years. It's November 1st here at Madame Tussauds, a red carpet event.
On the rooftop. It's going to be a fun event. We want you to come, we want you to sponsor a table, or maybe you want to be an event sponsor. Contact us via email or call us. When you hear the amazing stories of God's faithfulness, you will celebrate with us.
Come celebrate not only the past, but the present and the future, what's in store here in Hollywood.